Hui Huang sends his greetings to the entire Interlink family. The activities advancing foundational technologies. The Interlink Foundation IF will recruit world-class core developers and researchers to address fundamental technical challenges and develop the core infrastructure of the ecosystem. While applications and market trends evolve over time, foundational technologies remain the long-term pillars that sustain and secure an ecosystem. For this reason, advancing core technologies is considered a strategic priority of the Foundation. Key areas of research and development include scalability improvements, quantum-resistant cryptographic security, zero-knowledge proof systems, automated market maker, AMM infrastructure, and protocols for tokenizing real-world assets, RWA. These initiatives aim to establish a robust, scalable, and future-ready technological foundation for the ecosystem, funding builders, researchers, and ecosystem innovation. Beyond core infrastructure, the long-term growth of the ecosystem relies on a strong community of developers, researchers, and builders creating applications on top of the protocol. The Interlink Foundation IF will support this development through grants, research funding, and developer programs designed to foster innovation across the ecosystem. In parallel, regular hackathons and builder initiatives will be organized to discover and support high-potential teams building on Interlink. These efforts aim to accelerate ecosystem development and drive real-world adoption of the protocol, provide strategic direction, and oversee effectiveness. The Interlink Foundation IF helps guide the overall direction of the ecosystem and ensures that key activities are carried out effectively. By monitoring progress, coordinating between teams, and evaluating outcomes, the Foundation works to ensure that the ecosystem develops efficiently and remains aligned with its long-term vision and objectives. In addition, the Foundation promotes transparency, accountability, and responsible governance across the ecosystem. It helps prioritize strategic initiatives, supports collaboration between builders and stakeholders, and ensures that resources are allocated in a way that strengthens long-term sustainability and ecosystem growth. Manage the ITL and ITLG Treasury. The Foundation is responsible for managing the ITL and ITLG Treasury to ensure that resources are allocated efficiently, transparently, and in alignment with the long-term goals of the ecosystem. This includes funding ecosystem development, supporting builders and strategic initiatives, and maintaining financial sustainability. Through careful planning, monitoring, and governance, the Foundation ensures that Treasury usage remains responsible, avoids misuse or concentration of resources, and maximizes long-term value for the entire ecosystem. In addition, the Foundation supports the development and integration of digital asset treasury (DAT) models, enabling institutions and enterprises to adopt ITL and ITLG as part of their treasury strategies. This approach strengthens real-world utility, promotes long-term holding behavior, and aligns the ecosystem with broader financial and institutional adoption. Institutional and enterprise engagement. The Interlink Foundation actively engages with governments, financial institutions, and enterprises to drive real-world adoption of the ecosystem. By building strong relationships with public sector bodies, regulatory institutions, and large-scale businesses, the Foundation works to ensure that the ecosystem can operate within practical, compliant, and globally recognized frameworks. Beyond regulatory alignment, the Foundation supports the integration of the protocol into real-world business use cases. This includes enabling enterprises to adopt the ecosystem for payments, digital assets, identity, and other operational applications, as well as encouraging partnerships that bring tangible utility and economic activity into the network. Through these collaborations, the Foundation aims to bridge the gap between decentralized technology and traditional systems, fostering an ecosystem that is not only technically robust, but also widely adopted, economically sustainable, and globally scalable.